Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to know a bit about the Vijayanagara Empire. Some general information about the Vijayanagara Empire. It was founded in 1336. Today it is a part of India. The common languages are Kannada, Telugu, Tamil and others. The currency is Vijayanagara coinage. The capitals are Vijayanagara, Pennukonda and Chandragiri. Who founded the Vijayanagara Empire? Harihara and Bukka were the founders of the Vijayanagara Empire. The city and its first dynasty were founded in 1336 by five sons of Sangama, of whom Harihara and Bukka became the city's first kings. In time, Vijayanagara became the greatest empire of the southern India. Sri Rangaraya II, 1642 to 1652 CE, was the last ruler of the Vijayanagara Empire who came to power in 1642 following the death of his uncle Venkata III. He was also a great-grandson of Aliya Rama Raya. The greatest king of Vijayanagara Empire. King Krishnadeva Raya was the greatest king of Vijayanagara Empire. Vaira Narasimha had the title of Bhujubala 1505 to 1509. After his brief reign, he was succeeded by his younger brother King Krishnadeva Raya 1509 to 1530 AD. Under him, Vijayanagara emerged as the strongest military power in the South India. What is the meaning of Vijayanagara? Vijayanagara in Sanskrit, known as the city of victory, was the capital city of the. Where is the Vijayanagara Empire located? The Vijayanagara Empire, also called Karnataka Empire, and the Kingdom of Besnaga by the Portuguese, was based in the Deccan Plateau region in South India. It was established in 1336 by the brothers Harihara I and Bukkaraya I of Sangama dynasty, members of a pastoralist covered community that claimed Yadava lineage. How was the Vijayanagara Empire established? The Vijayanagara kingdom was founded by Harihara and Bukka of the Sangama dynasty in 1336. At the instance of their Guru Vidyaranaya, they established their kingdom with its capital at Vijayanagara. Harihara became the first ruler, and by 1346 the whole Hosla kingdom passed into the hands of the Vijayanagara rulers. There are four dynasties in the Vijayanagara Empire, namely Sangama dynasty, Tulluva dynasty, Salluva dynasty, and Aravaidu dynasty. The Sangama dynasty was a dynasty of the Vijayanagara Empire founded in the 14th century by two brothers, Harihara I and Bukkaraya I. Tulluva is the name of the third ruling dynasty of the Vijayanagara Empire. The dynasty traces Bedranayaka Kshatriya Vamsam, its patrilineal ancestry, to Tulluva Narasanayaka, a powerful warlord from the westerly Tullu-speaking region. The Salluva dynasty was created by the Salluvas, who by historically tradition were natives of the Kalyani region of northern Karnataka and modern India. The Aravaidu dynasty was the fourth and the last dynasty which ruled Vijayanagara Empire in South India. Its founder was Tirumala Devaraya, whose brother Rama Raya had been the masterful regent of the last ruler of the previous. Why was Vijayanagara important? In time, Vijayanagara became the greatest empire of southern India by serving as a barrier against invasion by the Muslim sultanates of the north. It fostered the reconstruction of Hindu life and administration after the disorders and disunites of the 12th and 13th centuries. The empire's support enabled fine arts and literature to reach new heights in Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, and Sanskrit, while Carnatic music evolved into its current form. How did the Vijayanagara Empire maintain power? The last ruler of Vijayanagara was Sri Ranga III. The Vijayanagara Empire, city of victory, thrived, flourished, and grew because of its healthy administration and military. The king was the final authority in matters related to judiciary, civil, and military. He had a council of ministers to advise him. Why did the kings of Vijayanagara live in a separate quarter and not in the middle of the city as in Urugula? Since the old city lacked proper facility and was not appropriate for safety issues, the kings of Vijayanagara lived in a separate quarter and not in middle of the city. Who destroyed Vijayanagara? Initially, the Vijayanagara Empire as winning the battle, but later two Muslim generals of the Vijayanagara army started fighting for the united sultanates. Sultan Hussein and his army destroyed Hampi. Who is Aliya Ramaraya? Ramaraya, known as Aliya, son-in-law in Kannada, and Mahamandaleshwara Alludu, son-in-law of Mahamandaleshwara in Telugu, was a Telugu statesman of the Vijayanagara Empire, the son-in-law of Emperor Krishnadevaraya, and the ancestor of Aryavaidu dynasty of Vijayanagara Empire. How was Vijayanagara destroyed? This was the iconic Battle of Talikota, a small town now in Karnataka, in which the Sultanates defeated Vijayanagara and killed Aliya Ramaraya. They then stolen and destroyed Hampi to the ruined state in which it lies to this day. Hope you guys liked my video. Please subscribe to our channel, smash that like button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on my new videos.